thunderstorm warning for south central Van Angle County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Butler County,
PBZ, you liar!
northwestern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, southwestern Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania until 8:30 p.m. At 7:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles east of Slippery Rock or 14 miles east of Grove City, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Knox, Reimersburg, Parker, Sligo, Inleton, Bruin, Shippensville, St. Petersburg, Eau Claire, Callinsburg, Foxburg, Cherry Valley. This includes Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 36 and 61. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook.